Boathouse is totally whacked. House of Fun style. There's no real right angles on it anywhere. At least there are any perfect right angles. So it's got like $200 or $300 worth of steel and lag bolts and braces and stuff. We're bolting all these 6x6s together, praying that it works. This is what I've been doing for about a week. When I'm done, this boathouse will be strong as the Rock of Gibraltar. Hopefully not as strong as the Titanic. Bat shit. The old rundown boathouse. Abracadabra. Alakazoo, make this boathouse look brand new. Whoa, look at that. Still got the magic. Yeah. Because that would have been really tricky backbreaking work if I didn't know the magic spell for siding. It works.